Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gaz9919 here, and today we've come to a very nice scrapyard in Derby. It's all sort of on tarmac, so it's a bit different from the usual sort of thing. Okay, so we are primarily looking for bits for Denis, the Mk5 Fiesta. And I've seen a horrible sight that I just need to go and see close up, because I can't believe it. The poor V-dubs. Poor V-dubs. I can't believe it. Such a shame that they've had to come here. And another one. So horrible that they've ended up here. And there is a Mk5 Fiesta that we're going to go investigate. So because we've been to another scrapyard today, I've already got the stalks for the clicking problem on the steering wheel, and now this one that we've been to, I've just got myself the rear wiper, so we can hopefully get that working. It's all a bit dismal, isn't it, here? It's even a hearse. This is where things get a bit weird. It's pretty cool. Yo, the engine's not even in that hearse. Crazy. And now we can see another Fiesta. So I think if it's got the airbox on, we may take the airbox off that. Unfortunately, it's not the same airbox as the one on Denis, but we'll keep looking. Right then, guys. So that has been a rather productive day at the scrapyard. I've managed to get 2 Badgers, front and rear, in quite decent condition, and the rear wiper blade I've also managed to get the stalks for the Mk5, and also, just as a little additional extra, where the screen wash is, it's a bit icky and it's got all like black paint over it or something, so I thought I want a like nice yellow one of those, so I decided to purchase one of them as well. So all in all, for all those bits and bobs, it cost me £30, which I cannot complain at whatsoever, because if I was to go online, I'd have probably paid double.
Right then guys, so, moment of truth for the rear windscreen wiper that didn't turn out to be plugged in, but I changed the motor anyway, because why would they unplug it otherwise? And plus I bought a new motor, so why not? And that one didn't even have a windscreen wiper on, so let's give it a go. Yes, it works. Bit of windscreen wash as well, get in, look at that, beautiful, beautiful. The next thing I'm going to concentrate on, and I'm not going to concentrate on it today, is the stalks for the steering wheel to stop this sort of noise going off. I want to turn that wiper off now, it's going a bit nuts. But yeah, we've got to sort those stalks out. I think I'll do that in a separate video. But yeah, that is the rear wiper change. And that has been a fun day at the scrapyard. If you did enjoy this content, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, as it really helps me out. Maybe even click that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But that is it for this video, guys. Until the next time, peace.